Hi friends, welcome to S&D Innovations. Today in this video I will show you what are there inside a car air compressor. Most of us use different types of small air compressor, portable air compressor for inflating tires of different cars, bikes, cycles, whatsoever. But we don't know what are there inside a car air compressor. So let's have a look inside the product and see how it works and the working principle and the mechanism of a compressor. So let's start the video. And here is what inside the car air compressor. There is a motor, a piston connected with meter, a non-return valve. When the motor moves, this piston moves up and down. You can see it here. And here is a piston like syringe which pushes the air inside this chamber. Here is a non-return valve and this process continues. Let's have a look. The pressure of this chamber is what we see inside the gauge. So friends, I think all of you have enjoyed this video, like this video, so please subscribe S&D Innovations and help me to increase my subscriber. Don't forget to press the like button. Thank you.